like being covered in slime.
I can stretch the slime really far, make it go this far. My foot is covered in slime.
Okay, beds are made. Let's go and check on Sparkle.
Sparkle! What have you done? I can't see, Mum. I can't see.
Sparkle, Lily definitely can't see.